Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix can't turn off location services or location services is grey out. So guys, many of you are complaining about that you can't turn off your location services or your location services are grey out because of some reason and you don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, as you all can see, I am facing the same issue and I can't access to my location services or I can't turn it off. As you can see, I can't turn off any of these apps too. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restarting your device can sometimes fix these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update often include bug fixes and improvement. So you have to open the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.4.1. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. After updating the iOS version, then you have to do is simply go back and then tap on screen time. Now scroll down and then tap on change screen time passcode. Now tap on turn off screen time passcode, enter your passcode and turn it off. After turning it off, then you have to do is simply tap on content and privacy restrictions, tap on location services. Now tap on allow changes and allow. So guys, after trying these steps, you can fix the issue. As you can see, now I can access to my location services. I can turn it off or I can simply access these apps. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix can't turn off location services or location services grey out because of some reasons. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.